Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 3 video marketing hacks you need to know. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax, get ready to start living the life of your dreams. Enjoy the video. For more information about 3 video marketing hacks you need to know, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. For signing up today you get my free ebook about lead generation for beginners. The link to my website is in the description box. So don't delay, sign up today. Three video marketing hacks you need to know. Every expert knows that there are 3 video marketing hacks you need to know if you want to succeed in this arena. Of course, you can follow all the guru hacks on the net, but if you want to achieve success in this business, you need to learn more about these 3 hacks. You need to start off with a website. But, before you make the move, you need to make sure that your website has a good design and good content so that people will not lose interest in it. It is very important that the people get some sort of hook before they decide to click on the link. Another tip on video marketing hacks you need to know is that you need to put some kind of magic in your videos. I mean, no one wants to watch a sales pitch. However, customers should feel like they have been transported to the real world. The third thing is that you need to edit the video a bit so that it can be watched in other ways. After all, it is better if you can get a few views for your video than to take thousands of hits in search engines. There are a lot of reasons why the business owners ignore video marketing hacks they need to know, but probably the most important reason is that they do not have the skills to make a great video. If you want to achieve success in this business, you need to be equipped with some unique skills that will help you achieve success. Video marketing hacks you need to know is also that you need to know how to market your video to the right audiences. The right audience will mean that you will get a lot of sales. The next thing you need to do is to try and increase the number of views of your website. Of course, you need to understand that the more views you get, the higher your conversion rate is going to be. To further push the sales of your videos, you need to make sure that you get some kind of traffic from Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Of course, the more the better. 3 video marketing hacks you need to know is that the more the views and the number of people who view your video, the more people will begin to search for your product or service. So, if you have made a video on how to grow grapes, you would be making a lot of people hungry for that information. Finally, you need to make sure that you have put together a great video. If you have the right audio and the right graphics, then you have made a great video, and the target audience is going to take a look at the video and they are going to say, "Aha, I get it." The last thing you need to know about 3 video marketing hacks you need to know is that you need to test the audience. When you write a script, it is very hard to change things. So, if you are going to implement video marketing hacks, you need to make sure that you test the audience. If the audiences do not respond well to your video, then you need to change your script, then change your title and see what happens. Thanks for watching my video about 3 video marketing hacks you need to know. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video. So don't delay, sign up today.